Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Jira worklogs to ChartFactor Studio Community Edition and create powerful visualizations using the ChartFactor Jira connector kit. As a prerequisite, you should have Docker Desktop installed on your machine and ports 8000 and 5433 available. The first step is to install the abctl tool, and since I am using a Mac, I'll just copy-paste these homebrew commands. abctl is Airbyte's command line tool for deploying and managing Airbyte locally. Airbyte is an open source data integration platform that moves data from various sources into data warehouses. In this connector, we are moving Jira data into Postgres. Now, let's clone the ChartFactor Jira connector repository by copy-pasting the git clone command. Move to the folder created by the clone command. And now copy the .env.example file to the .env configuration file. Then open the .env file in a code editor and enter your Jira connection variables. Jira domain, this is the domain for your Jira account. In our case, we are entering actun.atlassian.net. Jira API token. To obtain a Jira API token in Jira Cloud, go to Account Settings, Security, Create and Manage API tokens. Jira email. This is the user email for the Jira account which you use to generate the API token. Jira projects. These are the Jira project IDs that you'd like to analyze. They must be comma separated and all the strings must be in double quotes. Jira start date. It must be in ISO format. Now, let's save the configuration file and run the Airbyte Jira Postgres script. This script automates the end-to-end setup for syncing Jira data into ChartFactor Studio. It deploys Airbyte in a local Docker environment. It configures Airbyte and it generates the Jira worklogs analysis ChartFactor file, which contains all the visualization settings ready to use in ChartFactor Studios. This video was speeded up for brevity. The script runs for approximately 6 minutes and could take longer depending on your internet connection. Now, let's visualize this data using ChartFactor Studio. Open ChartFactor Studio in a new web browser tab. Import the Jira Worklogs Analysis Postgres file and open the application. You can see a heat map with your team members. You can change the configuration of any of these visualizations using the editor. You can zoom in for specific team members and time windows. You can scroll through the respective work log items and open their Jira tickets. You can also see the team effort trend for the selected time window and team members by hours worked. And you can select specific ones. And you can easily add new visualizations by duplicating existing ones and modifying them. Thank you for watching.